Navigating the intricate landscape of an electrical and data infrastructure within an imaging suite often requires details for accurate planning and significantly diverts leadership focus. The traditional project model remains a time-consuming and risky endeavor, often prone to delays and financial overruns. Discover NXT Level Services by NXT Power, simplifying your site preparation needs for MRI and CT suites. We simplify and secure your advanced imaging equipment's pre-installation process. We ensure a smooth transition to your new or upgraded suite by minimizing operational disruptions. Our expert team delivers custom turnkey solutions and end-to-end project management specifically designed for your MRI and CT needs. Utilizing NXT Power's cutting-edge power protection, our engineer-validated installations guarantee reliable, on-time startups. Experience industry-leading system reliability, minimizing downtime and maximizing patient throughput. Choose NXT Level Services by NXT Power to a seamless MRI and CT installation delivered on time and on budget. Eliminate the stress of complex site preparation. Optimize suite productivity and patient care. Provide proactive remote system monitoring. With our integrated SNMP card, you will maintain a real-time remote monitoring of your power infrastructure, ultimately ensuring greater system reliability and business continuity via your network. Elevate your project success with NXT Power's turnkey solutions and site preparation with NXT Level Services.